What's up, guys? Epic Shots back on another video, and today we're going inside. What the heck is that? Alright, not what I was expecting, because I didn't look outside today. Oh God, shut up! Yeah, this is not fun. Oh God! Damn! Yeah, don't live in Iraq if you want rain. If you don't want rain, don't live. I mean, you can throw the barbecue and stuff, but yeah. Oh God. Okay, I'm not well, I can't really I'm gonna check on my mom. So she said I'm not like fucking mom. Yeah. Oh my God! I literally slipped. Y'all should have saw that in the video. If that was slow motion, I can't put it in slow motion. If that was, oh my God, that would have been terrible. Okay, we're going around the block to see what's going. Oh God! Oh dang! Oh God! Okay, I better be careful with my phone and my face. Oh God, that's scary. You little bastard. It ain't a real one. I'm glad it's not. Oh damn, okay. Fatality jump! Make the jump, or you're a pervert. Alright. Just to make that big jump. Dang. Yeah, my bikes. This is not my bike. This is my brother's bike. Not my bike. Buster! Buster! Oh, there he is. Are you okay? Alright, you're fine. Yeah, he's a cute dog. I love him. If he dies like Roman Atwoods, I'll be pissed. I really don't want him to die, obviously, but that's life. It's life. Wait. Ugh. Look at this fucking bitch. God damn. Okay, I need to stop cursing in my videos. Because my subscribers can't watch this. I curse. So I'm not gonna curse. Yeah, it's not really that pretty. Even when they're doing construction, it's not. Flooded. It's flooded. Plus, we're supposed to get the tropical storm. I think we're still getting the tropical storm. Ah, the wind! Yeah, I think we're still getting the tropical storm. I don't really know. Oh God, the wind is bad. Or the phone, maybe. The wind is probably so bad on the phone. I should have went the other way. God damn it. Ah! Okay, I gotta stop cursing. I'm gonna make this a friendly channel. Yeah. I'm driving with one hand. Not really that good. Camera's messing up again. Every single time. Dude, I am going the slowest of slow. God damn. The wind. So bad. And my phone. dang, almost fell. Dang, they have a big truck here. Apparently. Oh dang, oh dang, oh dang, oh dang. I'm trying not to get my pants and my shoes wet. Because after this, I gotta edit. Checking, I just post, not edit. I used to, remember? I had, oh god. When I had, Power Director. I edited it. I edited it. I probably, oh, that's nice. It's like a little current. Y'all probably can't see it on the phone, but dang, my back. I'm 11 and my back's already hurting. My back's been hurting. Even since I was in third. A lot of people know, who go to my school, a lot of people know my back hurts. Because I tell them, oh dang! Dude. That is so awesome. I'm bringing my boogie board. And I'm doing this. Ah! I'm a shoe wet. Aw. Doesn't matter. It really doesn't. Oh, she's so bringing my boogie board. I'm bringing it. Or that's I'll just bring it. Dang, I'm shoe wet. It's cold. Very cold. Yeah. I wish I could do it in the ditch actually. But no, I'm not. Look. It's dark. Now it's green. Ew! Somebody poured milk. It looks like coffee milk. Dude, that is not cool. That's like gross. Too gross.